Hey everyone, it's Kenton Becker, American Pacific Mortgage, again, bringing you another video in our location series. Now I want to talk a little bit about, should you relocate or should you renovate? When it comes to relocating or renovating your home, there's a few decisions that you kind of have to go through. Number one, let's talk a little bit about renovation. There are some options if you decide to renovate the current home that you're living in, where you can actually either take some money out of your current equity to renovate those costs, or you can even get a loan that will increase that based on the future value that you're adding to the home. Typically, when you renovate the home, you might be adding square footage, you might be renovating the existing square footage, but it's probably going to add to the value of the home. And many times you can use that extra bump in value to actually fund or cover some of those renovation costs. You need to make sure your credit score is above 620 so that you can take advantage of either the FHA or conventional renovation loan program. And it has to be an owner-occupied home. You can't do this on second homes or investment properties. But maybe you say, you know what, I don't know if I want to renovate this home. I don't like the area as much. I don't like the neighborhood as much. Some great reasons why you might want to relocate instead of renovate is maybe you just look at the market and you go, hey, it's a great time to sell a home right now. You know, most homes, right, it's a seller's market if you didn't know. It's a seller's market, and it's a great time where most buyers are paying top dollar and sometimes even above top dollar just for homes out there. So it'd be a great opportunity to sell your home. You can maximize your profit in today's market. Maybe you want to relocate because you want to move to a more affordable area. Maybe right now you're living in an area that's maybe not as affordable, it's higher cost, but it was closer to your work. But because of some of the changes, maybe what we've seen is that your employer is allowing you to work from home. So if that's the case, you don't have to live in those higher cost areas, and you could move a little bit further out to find something more affordable. It's a job change, or maybe it's just looking at the fact that you want to go to a different school district or a different area, a different change of pace even. I was talking with a client recently, they said, we're kind of looking for a change of pace, moving out of the city to somewhere that's a little bit more rural. Sometimes that can be another reason why you want to relocate. Maybe it's changing your type of house, adding more bedrooms, adding more acreage. There's lots of reasons. So some of those things you can change, obviously, with the house, renovating it. If it's just a matter of getting a nicer house, you can renovate your house to do that. But if it's a matter of adding more land, you kind of have to relocate to do some of those things. So renovation versus relocation. If either one interests you, and talk about some renovation opportunities, some different loan programs that could work for you. Or if you're interested in relocating, I can get you teamed up with a good real estate agent for selling your home, and a real estate agent that can help you find a home as well. Of course, we can help you with the financing on the new home also. So much for joining me in this week's tip. Have a good one. We'll talk to you soon.